Welcome to Hassan Abbas Electric. Today, I'll show you exactly how LED bulbs are made, step for read, step by step.
To ensure perfect brightness, each tiny LED chip is precisely positioned onto the PCB board by these automated systems.
By precisely controlling the placement of every single diode, we guarantee uniform brightness and unparalleled efficiency.
Temperature is running high on Sector 4.
I'm on it. Adjusting the parameters now. Looks stable.
LED calibration is complete. Alignment confirmed.
Every bulb is assembled with precision to ensure long-lasting performance.
Each bulb is tested to ensure efficiency and safety.
And that's how LED bulbs are made and truncated. Very business from start to finish.